Hello, my dear obedient pupils. Now we shall reading and study about lesson 2 tit for tat. There lived a tailor in a town. He kept a shop. An elephant used to pass nearby the shop. Whenever the elephant stretched out its trunk, the tailor gave it something to eat. In this way, both became friends. Once the tailor went somewhere, his son was sitting in the shop. He was mischievous, he was naughty boy. As soon as the elephant passed, he pricked a needle in its trunk. The elephant got furious, but it did nothing. It thought of taking revenge. While coming back, it filled dirty water in its trunk. It poured all the water in the soap. All the clothes became dirty. The elephant took revenge against the tailor's son. Both the tailor's son and the elephant behaved badly. The tailor's son and the elephant both were mistaken. The elephant did not do good by taking revenge. Good boys never tease anybody, even if it be an animal. The moral of the story is, as you sow, so shall you reap. Now, few meanings. The first meaning, somewhere around or about. Second meaning, revenge, yani return, attack. Needle, pin, syringe, power, उड़ेलना, discharge, flood, tase, harass, disturb करना, mischievous, naughty, mistake, error, slip, pricked, punch करना, चुभोना यानी पिट, dig, strength, lengthen, spirit. Now write the answer following questions. The first questions in this lesson: where did the tailor live? The tailor lived in a town. Who became friends? An elephant and tailor became friends. Should we take revenge? We should not take revenge. Who pricked a needle in the elephant's trunk? किसने एलिफेंट के सूंड में निडल को चुभोया? Tailor's son pricked a needle in the elephant's trunk. Next question: what moral do you learn from the story? The moral of the story is, as you sow, so shall you reap. जैसा आप बोओगे वैसा आप प्राप्त करोगे, काटो. Match the following. The tailor gave something to eat. Second, the elephant took revenge. Third, तीसरा, all the clothes became dirty. As you sow, so shall you reap. Good voice never tells anybody. Give the synonyms: mischievous, disobedient, furious, wild, prick, punch, various, several, nowadays, today. Choose the correct answer. There lived a tailor. The right answer: in a town. He gave him something. Answer, to eat. All clothes became. Answer, dirty. The elephant did not do. Answer, bad. हाथी ने कुछ भी बुरा नहीं किया, कुछ बुरा नहीं किया. Now, in homework, write 5 sentences on an elephant. Okay, thank you.